Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page post from your automation scenario. We'll walk through the exact flow you need, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, make sure you're in the platform where your automation lives and open your scenario. This is the canvas where your workflow is built. If you already have other modules in place, don't worry, we're just adding one more action to publish to your Facebook page. Now, look for the plus button on your scenario canvas and click it. This button adds a new module to your workflow. A search panel will appear, and this is where you'll find the app you want to connect. Type Facebook Pages into the search bar. You're looking specifically for the Facebook Pages service, not personal profiles or unrelated Facebook tools. So choose the one designed for managing pages. From the available actions, select Create a Post. This tells the scenario that the job of this module is to publish content to your page. As soon as you pick it, you'll be prompted to connect your account. Click to add a new connection and sign in to Facebook using your own secure login. Be sure you grant the requested permissions so the platform can post on your behalf, and double check that your Facebook profile has the right role, like admin or editor, on the page you plan to use. Once your account is connected, select the page you want to post to from the drop-down. Take a moment here to make sure you've picked the correct page, especially if you manage more than one. With the page selected, add your content. Type the message you want to appear in the post. Keep it clear and concise, and if the module offers fields for links or media, fill those in according to your content plan. Use placeholders or variables from earlier steps in your scenario if you're pulling in dynamic text. When your content looks good, click Save. This saves the module configuration within your scenario so everything is ready to run. It's a good idea to scan your settings one more time to confirm the right page and the right message are selected. To test it, click Run once. The scenario will execute immediately and attempt to create the post on the page you chose. Watch the run to make sure it completes without errors. If everything looks good, visit your Facebook page to confirm the post is live and appears exactly as you intended. That's it, you've successfully set up your scenario to create a Facebook page post, saved your changes, and tested it with a one-time run.